Here's something you probably don't want to hear. Most design advice is fluff disguised as process. You know the kind. Tips for tools that will be obsolete in 2 years. Or shiny techniques you will never use in real client projects. Designers love frameworks and acronyms because they look professional, but they don't make you better at solving problems. They just make you faster at rearranging pixels. Hi, I'm Pat, Senior UX Design Consultant with a decade of experience helping teams turn messy ideas into products that actually work. And during my career, I've learned something uncomfortable. Most of what passes for good design is just decoration that accidentally aligns with business goals. Real design starts when you stop decorating and start diagnosing. Everyone wants to master Figma shortcuts, nail motion design, or perfect their design system documentation. But tools don't make you a designer, they make you efficient. You can build the most beautiful interface in the world and still fail to solve a real problem. Because design isn't about pixels, it's about clarity. Best designers I've met can explain an idea on a napkin better than others can in a 40-page prototype. Design is just structured communication, turning abstract ideas into something people can understand and use. You can do that with a pen, whiteboard, or even a conversation. If the message is clear, the medium doesn't matter. The real skill is not polish, it's purpose. A polished mistake is still a mistake, it just looks expensive now. Real skills matter. Feasibility, knowing what can actually be built. Definition, clarifying goals, success metrics, and scope. Translation, turning abstract needs into usable outcomes. Communication, explaining reasoning to different stakeholders. What makes you valuable as a designer isn't how much you know about typography or layout grids. It's how well you can balance user needs with business goals and technical feasibility. Good designers think in systems. Great designers think in trade-offs. Every pixel has a cost. Every feature has a consequence. You're not a decorator, you're a decision maker. If you can defend your choices with data, empathy, and reasoning, you're already ahead of most of the industry. This channel isn't about templates, trends, or tutorials. It's about teaching designers how to think critically, how to argue your design decisions, not just present them, how to speak the language of developers, product managers, and executives without losing your creative edge. Because design isn't just a creative field, it's a strategic one. When you understand how business, tech, and people intersect, your work stops being pretty and starts being powerful. If you came here to learn how to make prettier buttons, you'll probably hate it here. But if you want to understand why things work and how to make design that survives meetings, sprints, and egos, welcome to Design Unhinged, where good design is communication, not decoration. If this connected with you, please subscribe and drop a comment about the topics you want me to cover next. Let's make everything a little less pretty and a lot more functional.